Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing another interesting painting of the floral design flowers. So we are going to be doing the background, black and white background, and then we are going to do the floral design over the top of that. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please guys go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the videos. So now let's get started. Yes. So guys, as you can see that I have taken the white and black color just in the corners because we are going to create the white circle way in the middle, and then just in the corners the black color. So I have chosen this brush for the beginning. Then it's a round brush, size is 12. Then we are going to start and blend it. And also guys, to let you know that I have put the masking tape to the sides of the canvas to be neat and clean. Okay guys, so this is what we need for the background, and then we are going to dry it out, and we'll start the top part. Yep, catch you then. Okay guys, so now when our canvas is dry, we are going to have the small brush and the black color, and we are going to draw the branch of the tree. Okay guys, so now I have taken this scarlet and mixed the scarlet into white, and I've taken white and this small round brush for the flowers. trust me guys, this is very easy way to create very beautiful art for your home decor. You can use this painting in your TV lounge, or even you can use that for the bedroom. For the little ones, I'm going to use the smaller brush. Using this lemon yellow just for the middle sections of the flowers. Just to give some definition to the branches, I'm using the white color. So guys, now our painting is ready. We are going to take off the tabs on the sides. Okay guys, so this is the final look of our painting. Hope so that you like it. If you like it, please press the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe my channel. And yep, so take care guys. Hope so that you are going to try this one at home, and then see you with another beautiful video. Thank you, bye bye, take care.